What I love about being a veterinarian is I'm able to prevent major problems with your pet through early detection. The average lifespan for a dog is 12 years and a cat about 15. Thankfully, we exceed this day in and day out at Gardens Animal Hospital because we are very diligent in our care. Our annual packages for pets under 8 years includes blood work every year, as well as heartworm, tick, and fecal testing. Our packages for pets over 8 years also includes x-rays and urine and thyroid testing. The more preventive screening we do, the earlier we are able to intervene and detect changes before they become a crisis. We want to be your pet's advocate so they can live their healthiest life.